This is Parlor Palm die set from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die set with 8 individual image dies. Bring your palm trees inside with our multifunctional Parlor Palm die set. This die set features 6 palm leaf dies and 2 dies to create a shaded flower pot. You can use this set to create a gorgeous indoor palm, or use the leaves alone to create background patterns, or even add them to your floral arrangements. All of our dies work beautifully with various die cutting machines on the market, and these images will look great on all different projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages, or even home decor. To find out more about Parlor Palm die set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.